Hi everybody and welcome to the latest NAGA market update. It is Tuesday the 2nd of February and we are roughly nearly 1 hour into the European trading session. Biggest headline so far this morning is that the silver price has lost 5%. That means that silver has now essentially withdrawn and retraced the gains that it made following that explosive move on Sunday night. My attention's on oil. I will talk about that in just a second, but when it comes to silver, one thing that we have to factor into consideration is that there's certain battles that these retail traders will be able to win against these elite investors. But battles and the war is completely different. I think that at the battle of GameStop, for sure, the retail traders won that event. However, when it comes to silver, we have a lot of very elite corporations that are still big buyers of silver or sellers of silver on the other hand as well. And I do think that the silver trend might be a bit more short term and the focus instead should be towards other asset classes. For example, the US dollar and what's happening with some of the majors. The euro looks like it's going to surprisingly be at risk of falling back below 120. We've got the British pound US dollar that's actually traded just above 1.37 early on Tuesday morning. But my attention specifically is on oil, and I'm talking about the US oil price, which is frequently referred to as WTI oil, because we're just coming towards $54 now. Will be the biggest level in oil for quite some time, but technically $54 means that we still have a bit more momentum to go between that consensus that might see $56, $57 later in 2021. In reference towards why the oil atmosphere is turned more positive, well, a lot of vaccine optimism. We have more vaccines being approved, and we also have more countries, including the developed and the emerging markets, that again have the vaccine, which does provide some optimism over hope for the future in the global economy. We do think that oil could trade a little bit higher, but just be a little bit mindful about short-term pullbacks. That's it for me today. I wish you a very successful trading day. Please do not forget to download the NAGA trading application, go onto the NAGA community feed and see what other traders are thinking and share your ideas there as well. Thank you very much once again, and do not forget to subscribe to NAGA social media channels for the latest news, analysis and updates. I will see you again tomorrow.